All right, welcome back, all my legends. I have been gone for who knows how long. Honestly, I've just been really lazy, and I first year going dove hunting. You guys go dove hunting? Kind of random, but I've been out there. It was kind of fun. Too bad I only got out there twice because there's such a limited ammo. But aside the fact of that, so with my account, I'll show you guys my account. So last time I created a video, it was not that great to see the video. So I'll move it towards my iPhone. I plugged it in so I can show you guys better. And I'll walk you guys through it. And yeah, let's get it. All right, you guys. What do you guys think? You guys think I doubled it? I blew it? 10x it? I just went back to go look at my old video and it was already made. It's already been 4 months. All right, so let me show you guys the result. Bam. So I started with $100 account. Let me show you guys the history. So I'm down 40% now. I was up almost. I was up 100. I started 100. I got to 150, and then I entered this bad trade, which is what killed me. But you can see here. Let's go to custom. Put a month back. Man, trading is emotional. Like you will do good, and then you will do bad, and then you kind of overthink yourself. But anyways, you guys can see here. I started my account. Everything's blue. This one right here, I entered wrong, so I just exited right away. It wasn't a loss. Well, I guess it's a loss, but it wasn't a trade loss. And you can see here, this trade, weirdly, that's the thing about trading is that this trade, when I entered it, I was like, this is one of the best trades. All the confirmations met, but nothing. You never know what can happen. Boom! It turned around, lost $100, and basically my account's not blown yet. I still have $60. Well, it's about to be blown in six equity, six more dollars. So, yep, I lost that, and then, anyways, let me show you. So I was doing great. Like you see all these trades here, I was doing great. So now I'm thinking to myself, if every trade I aim for 10%, I would have tripled my account. I did the math, right? So if I aim for 10%, I would have tripled my account, and I would have had some profits already before having this big loss of the $94. So what I did was I opened another account. Here it is. Here is the next account, right? So this is barely a 2 day old account. Yesterday, I grew it by 13%. Every trade I'm gonna aim for 10%, and all it takes is seven great trades. So 7 trades that goes into the positive that will make me double my account, right? So what I like about this strategy, that if it works, which I will be documenting it, if it works, it's not really emotional. It's a set it, forget it. So I just entered a trade right here too, GBP NZD, about like 30 minutes ago, an hour or so ago, and then once I can double this account, $100, and I'm confident. Excuse me. I can go and what is it? Add 1,000 and then do the same strategy. Every 7 trades that I hit take profit, it's gonna double my account. Double my account. And I'm gonna take little profits, all right? And then I mean, I'm not trading with stop loss, and I'm just gonna let it blow my account or hit my take profit. So that's my strategy. And of course, I have my confirmations and stuff, but that I just have a limited stop loss until it just margins me out. Who knows how it goes, and that's why I'm documenting everything. So far, it's good. So far, one great trade. Of course, one trade doesn't matter. It's all about the long term. You can see here, I'm already a couple pips in profit, 5 pips, 4 or 5 pips in profit. Yeah. There you go. There you have it. My account, first one I showed you guys before. It's not blown, but it's about to be blown. And I would say the reason why it is at where it's at is because I was not as conservative with my trades. Okay, my trades, I was just okay. It hits this confirmation. The other two didn't hit, but it looked like it was kind of hit, and I took it a trade. It worked for about 15 to 20 trades, but all it took was one trade to blow my account. So now I won like 10 to 15 trades in that account. I was thinking to myself, okay, if I did 10%, like I was saying, then I'm able to double my account, right? So that's what I did. I'm gonna start with $100. It's a real live account, and I'm gonna see if I can hit 10%, 10%, and all it takes is 7 trades to hit my take profit. I'm gonna take about 25%. So when it hits $200, I'm gonna take 25% profit out. And well, look at my hair. Anyways, um, yeah. So I'm see how it goes. Honestly, it's crazy that it's been 4 months since my last video. I've been seeing a lot of you guys viewing my videos and subscribing to my videos. Honestly, that's what motivated me to come back to even show you guys my results. It's pretty emotional trading wise. Like you'll be up, down, up, down. You'll be thinking, does a strategy work? But I will update you guys. And thank you guys all for watching. I hope the next time I see you guys, well, I take one trade a day only. So probably in 2 weeks, if things goes as planned, I will be able to double my account, and I'll come back and update you guys. Don't forget to leave a comment below, subscribe, and hit the like or the dislike button. If you don't like it, hit the dislike. If you like it, hit thumbs up. Yeah, leave a comment below. What do you like to see? Any improvements you guys like to see or anything? So let it down below, and I'll get back to you guys. See you guys.